Hey, what's up? It's Glamorousmorana here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click and subscribe. Today we're going to be talking about things to always carry in our bags. So girls, these are some stuff that we always need to carry in our bags. Okay, let's go. First thing first, we're gonna need some painkillers, okay? Because we never know when we're gonna get a headache or our stomach ache, Next, we're gonna always need to carry pads or tampons, so do on that. We're gonna need some lip gloss or a lip balm just in case our lips are dry. We have that. We're gonna need a mini hand lotion. We're gonna need to put that in our bag pronto. We're gonna need some hand sanitizer. Germs is everywhere, guys, so we're gonna need some hand sanitizer. We're also gonna need some hair tie just in case it's getting super hot. It's already hot, and sometimes we don't want our hair to be all over our face. We want to put that in a bun or something. We could go ahead and use our hair towels. We're gonna need to for sure, we cannot leave our phone chargers and our headphones, so we're gonna need to pack that in our bags. We're gonna need to pack some tissue and some perfume and a pair of socks and undies. You never know. So hope this really help you guys on what you need to carry in your bag. Thank you so much for watching Glamorousmorana channel, and don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and make sure click the celebration button if you like anti video.